Welcome back to Shane's Main Shop. Today I'm going to show you how to change a light bulb in a very basic exterior light fixture. So I have a new bulb here. I'm going to try and hold it out with my other hand while I do this. So there's two screws on top here, and right now it looks like there's one missing. So normally you'd take both those screws out and pull the lid off. In this case I'm just going to loosen this one up, and sometimes you can cheat and just spin this around like so. Get that out of your way. And then you're going to reach down in there. You can see it's a little tight. Go ahead and remove the old bulb. And then, of course, we got to clean that out too, but it might be another project. Then we'll put the new bulb in. Now, I will say, you want to make sure you use the appropriate bulb size for your light fixture. Capacity. Get that in there tight, and then we just slide this back over and tighten the screws back up. Now, of course, I need to find another screw for over here, but that's how you change it. Now I'm going to go ahead and turn the switch on and make sure it comes on. And there we go. That's a quick and simple video on how to change a light bulb in an exterior fixture on your house. I did go from a clear to an opaque one. I prefer the clear, it gives off more light, but this is what I had at the moment, so that's going to do the trick. And that's a 75-watt bulb in there. All right, thanks for swinging by Shane's Main Shop. Please like, subscribe, comment, come back often for more videos. Have a great day, and we'll see you in the next video.